talk about square roots or perfect squares. What were our perfect squares? List them for me. Come on, everybody, let's go. 2, no, 4. Everybody, come on. Yep, that's not everybody. Yeah, keep going. Yeah, keep going. Come on. Oh, 81, then 100. As far as I can write. 169. Yeah, keep going because I still got room. One more. All right, that's all I got room for. Okay, number 7. Square root of 4. 2. And you're done. Y'all okay with that? 2 times 2 is 4. All right, what about 243? If it's wrong, we'll pick another one. But pick a perfect square that you want to divide 243 by. 81? Overachievers, you already knew the answer. All right, so I can write 243 as 81 times 3. And the reason you do that is because now 81 gets to come out as what number? There you go. And so when you're on your math workshop test on Monday, to make sure that you got it right, you type in square root of 243, which is a decimal, and you check that decimal with 9 square root of 3. Are they the same? Yes. So you know you at least did it right. It may not be the biggest one, but you at least know they're the same thing. All right, let's look at the next one. 605. Who cares if it's wrong? Let's pick a perfect square and divide and see if it goes. 81. Nope. Somebody said 121. Brian, you said that? Yes, sir. You are correct. 121. Very good. So 121 times 5. And the whole reason I do that is because 121 gets to come out as 11. All right, 338. 169? Look at him. He already knows all the answers. There we go. 169. Very good. Times what? 2? All right, so 169. Anybody gets to come out as what number? 13. Very good. All right, 150 should be easy. 25, right? So let's see how much that gives us. So how do we know if 25 is the biggest one? Perfect, Piper. 6 does not have a perfect square that will go into it besides 1. So that's how you know 25 is the biggest one. All right, so 25 times 6 is 5 square root of 6. I was thinking like a 6 and not a 0. Okay. All right, what about 24? Guys, I know that 2 times 12 is 24. But why do I not want to write 2 times 12? Because they're not perfect square. And so Jackson told us 4, and 4 times 6 is 24. And so that's 2 square root of 6. Y'all okay? All right, let's grab our checkpoints. Let's take about 5 minutes to finish those up. And I will hand you a quiz when you hand me a checkpoint. And Piper, I am going to do my best to grade your test today, okay? I know I said that yesterday, but I promise I'm trying today. All right, Wendy, come get these when I call you real quick, guys. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Wendy, Piper, Kenan, Jasmine, Gabe. I'm sorry, Jackson. Jackson, you know that's enough, please. Piper, what are you doing?
So I was thinking Thursday. I never made this.
Oh, I didn't see that one. I'm sorry. Okay, work on the one we're doing first, and then you can get up then. Adriana, Anna, Harrison, Jesse, Anna Kate, Brian, Peyton, Julianne. Julianne, you want to wait till Monday, Abby? Or you want to?
Yeah, I think I first.
Okay. And that's here it is. All right, Molly and Matthew.
I mean, I didn't start off.
Probably. Were you here Monday? So we're going to do just one problem because they kind of take a minute to do. So we're at least going to start it before tomorrow, okay? We're at least going to start it before tomorrow. All right, so guys, this is the reason why we went back over the Algebra 1 stuff. I need you to put your phones up and stay with me, okay? What do you notice about these problems?
There's 3.
There's 3 of them, right? Okay, so we have to work these out a tiny bit different. So we have to pretend like we only have 2 equations. So what are the first 2 equations that they give us? X plus 2 plus z, yeah. And what's the other one? There you go. So we're going to deal with these 2 first. Okay, you ready? All right, here we go. So we're going to write those down. X plus 2y plus z equals 10. And we're going to line the other one up. 2x minus y plus 3z equals -5. Let's work with that like we normally do. That would probably be easier to use elimination, right? Okay, so let's try, you want to get the x's to be the same? Is that okay with y'all? All right, so how would we get those x's to be the same? There you go. So we would get 2x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 20. And we're just going to bring that other one over. And then how could we, there you go. So it's the same process, guys. It's just we have to do it several more times, okay? So 2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus -1 is 5y. And 2 minus 3 is -z. Very good. Yes, sir.
So like, will all 3 lines, if you're graphing, will all 3 lines cross at one point?
And that'll be pre-cal when you actually graph them. We're not going to actually graph all these in here. All right, and then 20 minus -5 is 25. Are y'all okay with that? All right, and then we're going to compare two other equations together. What else could we compare together? Which one have we not done yet? The third one, right? The middle one and the bottom one. Very good. Remember how we did that with slope before, with functions? All right, so what do we have? We have guys. All right, we have 2x minus y plus 3z equals -5, and 2x minus 3y minus 5z equals 27, right? Y'all okay with that? All right, now here's the kicker. You ready? We have to get rid of the same thing we already got rid of. What did we get rid of? X, which in this case is easy. So how do we get rid of our x's? Subtract. There you go. So you have -1 minus -3. How much is that? 2y. Very good. Everybody with me? Everybody getting these notes down? Because this is not easy stuff. All right, and then I have 3 minus -5. How much is that? Plus 8z. Then I have -5 minus 27. -32. Very good. Are y'all okay so far? All right, now we can take these two guys. Do you notice how they're the same? And we can stack them on top of each other, okay? So you have 5y minus z equals 25, and 2y plus 8z. Why is that clock off? Okay, bye guys. We'll finish this tomorrow, okay? I didn't realize the clock was off. Y'all have a great day. See you tomorrow. See you at the parade tonight.